The fundamental of key account management practice is customer centricity. The more we think about the priorities of customers, organization automatically gets aligned towards value creation. So key account management program can bring fundamentally a different cultural shift in the mindset of the organization. Customer centricity and building value for the customers can make sales and also service teams pretty engrossed in value creation process. CAM is a unique organizational process used by business-to-business suppliers to manage their relationship with strategically important customers, and definitely it produces measurable benefits when we structure it well. So what are some of the important actions? Towards building actions, I think fundamentally we should know the difference between key accounts, major accounts and accounts. We should identify stakeholders correctly. We should identify our key accounts correctly. We should measure the accrued benefits we are providing to our key accounts from time to time, and measuring accrued benefits provided by the key accounts to our business. That's also important because it's all win-win. While doing this, we also need to build strong cross-functional collaboration, appoint a CAM champion, benchmark the right kind of CAM processes, and build on further. Getting a high-level buy-in from the top management is also very important when we are establishing key account management process. That will align a lot of action points, and the whole CAM process will become pretty seamless and will work on autopilot mode. Last but not least, I would repeat the importance of appointing a CAM champion, because CAM champions are the catalysts for key account management. So my request would be, don't look at key account management as a workshop. It's not. It's a cultural change which requires deep attention of the top leaders. So do visit our webpage to know more about our perspectives on key account management. You can find the link in the description below.